Hey Colorado, Jeff with Windish RV here. This Fuzion Stars and Stripes Edition 373 is proudly made in the USA. Want to show your American pride while hauling your toys? This Fuzion has 3 incredible features that'll amaze you. Let me show you how Keystone created the ultimate American-made toy hauler. First, check out this massive 11-foot garage with a power ramp door and a fuel station. This is ready for any adventure. What about comfort after the ride? Here's where feature 2 takes over. 3 air conditioners are standard. Residential furniture with heat and massage, plus a kitchen island that seats 4. True American comfort. And when it comes to power, 5,500 watt generator with dual 30-gallon fuel tanks, plus solar power and dual lithium batteries. Unstoppable American muscle. Bold patriotic style. Ultimate comfort and unstoppable power. That's Keystone innovation. And you're going to find it here at Windish RV. I'm Jeff at Windish RV, and you can experience this American-made toy hauler at the Great American RV Show. Visit our Windish RV display March 27th through the 29th at the Colorado Convention Center for exclusive show pricing. Time to show your American pride.